Hey guys, it's me, Miss Bayne, coming at ya from my bedroom. I'm here to explain a little bit of the week 2 drawing challenge that you guys have assigned for you for next week. But before that, I just want to congratulate you guys and thank you guys for the awesome drawings and awesome work you guys are putting in. I really miss you guys, and this whole crazy time has been really interesting to go through as a student teacher. My teaching was kind of cut short, so any sort of comments you guys make on the Google Classroom, I love and appreciate, and you guys are really inspiring me to do my own art and my own work. I could cry just thinking about it, but I really miss you guys. That being said, if you guys have any questions or just want to talk to me or Miss Seculage, we're both here so you guys have an easy transition into online learning and so you guys have the best of times during this crazy time, the best education you guys can possibly receive. So just keep doing art. I'm doing a lot of personal art projects as well that I'll be sharing with you guys. And yeah, this is a classroom community, so if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out and ask us. So before I start tearing up again, I'm going to move the camera so you guys can see what I'm going to be showing you guys today. My awesome arm. So we're going to be doing, for one of the drawing challenges, a contour line challenge. So maybe some of you guys know already what a contour line is, but I'm just going to explain. The contour line is a continuous line drawing. So you're going to use pen and you're going to draw an object without taking the pen from the paper. So once you put your pen down, you cannot take it off. Them's the rules. So Miss Seculage and I want you guys to do 3 different contour line drawings for 2 objects. So that means 6 different drawings. And I did them all for this example on one sheet of paper. So the first thing that I did was write my little name, a little signature, and then make labels. We want you guys to do labels just so that we know that you guys are doing the 3 different challenges. So the 2 objects that I drew were my lovely, beautiful ukulele. Her name's Tutti Frutti. She's my favorite. And I did a toothbrush. So I did the toothbrush just to let you guys know that it could be any object from your home. It doesn't have to be anything creative or special. Anything will do. So the first contour line drawing I want you guys to do is just regular. You can look at the object and just draw one continuous line. The second one, though, is a blind contour. So that means I'm going to set the object kind of far away from my paper so that I can't look at the paper while I'm drawing. So that means these ones in the middle are kind of a little bit funky looking, and that's only because I was blind doing them. I didn't look at the paper. So the second one, only look at the object, don't look at your paper. Them's the rules. So the other one I want you guys to do is the opposite hand. So for that one, you guys are just going to do a regular contour line drawing, but with the opposite hand. So I'm a lefty. Shout out to all those lefties out there. Whoop, whoop. And so I use my right hand for all of these. And that's why these look a bit funky as well. So those are the 3 kinds we want you guys to do. I tried to do different positions and different styles of contour line drawing for these examples, so you guys can have fun with it, switch up the positioning of the objects. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to do a contour line drawing. I'll just do a little example here. You guys can do these drawings on one sheet of paper. Just make sure you fill it up just like bell work. Or you can do each one on a separate piece of paper, like in a notebook. So I'm going to get my pen, and the first thing I'm going to do is do my signature, and I'm going to say Object 1, Contour, and I'm going to draw my ukulele over here. So when you guys are doing these, just make sure you're having fun with it. You can start off at any place, but once you start, you can't take that pen from the paper. So I'm just going to trace the little line, go out here, I'm going to go back, if any part of your object has a shadow or some value, you can just add these little lines to, you know, pretend that there's value. And then make sure you guys are really looking at the spaces in between. So there's not really any line there, but I made one up just to go with the contour line drawing and making these little loops. And then now I'm going to go do the strings. And these are just little loopy lines as well. Then I'm going to go up here and do the frets. So yeah, have fun with this. Really think about the spaces in between and how those connect. There's a little bit of shadow here, so I'm going to keep doing these little shadow lines. And then I'm going to go over some lines. You guys can choose how much detail you want to put into it. I'm not going to do the cat stickers, but I am going to do the little circle around. And then I think I'm done. So these go by really fast, and that's why I want you guys to do 6 of them. Yeah, just make sure that you're putting in the details of the shadow, as well as these little kind of connection lines between the points where there is really no connection. And don't take your pen from the paper. An artist's signature always. That's all I have for you guys. Keep creating and keep being awesome. I miss you guys a lot, and maybe I'll see you guys next week. Bye!